Hello everyone. Today I want to explain about the VIPER indicator. If you see right now, the VIPER already installed in the chart, and then what is the bar about? So each bar represents about the support and resistance. If the bar above the current price, we call it as resistance, and if the bar is below the current price, we call it as support. Each bar has a different size. We can see here some bar has a bigger size than others. The smallest bar size means that the weak resistance or the weak support. The bigger bar size means that strong or strongest. Let's change the setting right now. We have the candle range 100. That means we use the calculations based on the last 100 candles on the chart of the current time frame. We can see here that we calculate the support resistance based on the volume on the last 100 candle. The origin idea of the VIPER indicator is similar like volume range profile. Volume range profile is a default indicator from the Tradingview and also represents about resistance and supports based on the volume calculations. If we change the color where the sell is the red or maroons and the buy is the blue or lime or greens, we can very clear understands about the market activity. If you see here, we have like a green and red as the last bar. That means the selling activity is bigger or dominate on the market. And if you see here the green, that means the buying activity is bigger at this market. But if there is no green or red, that means the buying and selling is almost equal at that market. So we can find uh, more detail about the markets of the current bar. Like, let's use this. Like, we can take the horizontal lines and then we can get the positions. So at these positions, because it's still on the range of last 100 candle, so if these positions, the buying and the selling is almost equal. But if we can use these positions, the buying activity is dominated or bigger than the selling activity. If we can understand the market, we can easily aware about why the selling activity is bigger, because the price is dropped down and then rebound again. So people think that it will break the support, but it won't. Instead of continue to bullish, it dropped as the bearish, something like this. So we can see that the color is changed, become red. That means at this area, the selling is bigger than the buying. So how to use this with the current positions? If you see right now on the current candle, we have a bigger bar here. That means this is the strongest resistance. If we can break the strong resistance, it will continue to bullish. But remember, we have two strong resistance with the close area. So we can say that 56,400 and 56,900 is the strong resistance. It will be hard to test and possible we have rejections. You can see that rejections on the previous candle. It tried to break, it tried to touch the resistance but get rejected and drop to the lower bar or to the closer bar or the closer support. You can see also below the current candle we have like a fat block. We have two fat blocks. So that means $54,700 and $55,200 is strong support. It should hold price here. So if you want to have a scalping, you can entry from the close support to the next resistance. You can entry here with a stop loss like this, and you can take profit on the closest support because it's already test. It has a possible to test the high resistance. Or if you have a paranoid trading, you just need to put on the next resistance. So if this resistance is broken, where is the broken? If this resistance is broken, it will have possible big rally to the higher level because it will be easily broken because the strong resistance is broken, then it has no problem to break up the weaker resistance. We can change also to the another time frame, so it will be changed with a different bar. You can change to 30 minutes, you can change to any time frame. So each time frame will represent different uh, indicators. It will have different support and resistance. So if you enable the 30-minute time frame, it has no bigger resistance. That means it will be easily to break up actually from the current uh, indicator. And you can see here we have a strong support. So if they not finish yet the corrections or the retest, it will drop to the closer strong support. So if you think that you are like playing with the maximum profit, you can use this strategy as your entry, something like that. And also it will be good if you can combine with like stochastic RSI. With the stochastic RSI, you can see that the direction is going to down instead of going to ups. So we can estimate that the current market will having will have a selling activity until it touch the closest bigger support. Then it will rebound up. You can change to 2 hours or higher resistance, a higher time frame, so you can understand which are the selling area. It's still loading, taking some times. Okay, here. Okay, it's matched with 30 minutes, and then it has higher resistance on 57,200. Okay, I think that's all about the fiber. It's just like a support and resistance. It helps you to understand the selling activity or the buying activity. Hope you like the indicator. If you have questions, just drop the questions or message me on the Telegram. This is my Telegram groups, and see you there. Bye bye.